Ladies and gentlemen, it is time to unlock the extraordinary potential that lies within each of us. Today, I invite you on a transformative journey, to activate the habits that transition a boy into a strong, resilient man. First and foremost, let us cultivate the habit of self-control. By harnessing our impulses and consciously making choices, we elevate our character and become masters of our destinies. Amid the chaos and distractions of life, self-control becomes our guiding light, leading us to make decisions aligned with our values and long-term goals. With self-control under our belt, let's delve into the habit of emotion control. The mark of a true man lies in his ability to navigate his emotions with grace and composure, rather than letting our emotions dictate our actions. Let us strive to understand and channel them wisely. By developing emotional intelligence, we unlock the power to transform conflicts into understanding, to be understanding listeners, and to foster deeper connections. Building on this foundation, we embrace the vital habit of self-discipline. Genuine fulfillment and success come when we commit ourselves to a path and stay steadfast. Even in the face of adversity, self-discipline enables us to persevere, overcome obstacles, and unlock our true potential. Through consistent practice and focused determination, we forge a character of integrity and achieve greatness. But what good is discipline without a positive attitude? The habit of cultivating a positive mindset allows us to radiate positivity and attract success into our lives. By focusing on the bright side, we unlock the resilience to bounce back from setbacks, inspire others, and create a ripple effect of positive change. Fueled by optimism, we become beacons of hope and catalysts for transformation. No longer confined by fear, we embrace courage and develop a fearlessness that sets us apart. Courage is not the absence of fear, but rather the triumph over it. T is about finding strength within ourselves, to face adversity head-on, to explore uncharted territories, and to seize boundless opportunities. With fearless hearts, we become unstoppable forces, breaking barriers and leaving a lasting impact. A man of virtue knows the value of words left unspoken. The habit of talking less and listening more grants us the power to learn from others and understand their perspectives. Through active listening, we strengthen relationships, foster empathy, and connect on a deeper level. By choosing our words wisely, we show respect and demonstrate the wisdom that comes from truly hearing what others have to say. Building bridges and forging unbreakable connections necessitates another crucial habit: the power of eye contact. By meeting someone's gaze with unwavering focus and genuine engagement, we establish trust, demonstrate respect, and deepen our connections. The eyes, they say, are windows to the soul, and through meaningful eye contact, we show up authentically and leave a lasting impression on others. Finally, let's discuss the habit of learning to fight. This is not about seeking conflict, but rather about standing up for what is right and just. A man of honor will face challenges head-on, advocate for his beliefs, and protect the weak and voiceless. By embracing this virtue, we become stewards of justice, driving positive change in our communities and championing noble causes. My friends, this motivational message serves as a call to action, a call to embrace these habits that define great men. Together, let us nurture self-control, emotion control, self-discipline, positive attitudes, fearlessness, the power of silence, eye contact, and the courage to fight for what is right, with the recognition of your own potential. Let these habits ignite within you a fire to reach new heights, to inspire others, and to leave an indelible mark on this world. The power to transform your life and the lives of those around you lies within you. Embrace these habits, unlock your true potential, and unleash the greatness that resides within. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more.